Hey guys, if you are looking for best treadmill for small spaces, you chose right video. Today we're going to review top 5 best treadmill for small spaces by our expert. After spending 2 weeks research, we make this list based on features, quality, prices, customers' reviews, and durability. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Our first product is NordicTrack T6.5C. The NordicTrack T6.5C is one of the best folding treadmills, affordable for small spaces, and an upgrade over the old version with improved tech. The dimensions of this machine are 36 wide x 67.5 long x 73 tall. After folding up the deck and locking it into a folded position, the T6.5C will be 36 broad x 36.8 deep x 79.5 tall in size. The user will enjoy a wider running track with a belt length of 20 wide and 55 long, where users weighing 130 kgs, 130 to 286 pounds can comfortably use this product without sacrificing their fitness goals even when at home and not using it for an extended period of time. The NordicTrack T6.5C compact treadmill has a 10 HD touchscreen that allows you to control many of the features on the machine right from your tablet or smartphone using Bluetooth technology, and download free FFT workout programs for the free first year. This is perfect because most gym memberships are expensive and health clubs are usually crowded in any way. This instrument comes with an option to enjoy the outdoors. These outside routines are equally enjoyable with walking tours, hiking routes, jogging, and even walk-run classes available. Now our second choice is ProForm Carbon T10. The ProForm Carbon T10 is a folding treadmill perfect for small spaces, yet it provides plenty of functionality. Additionally, the fold-up design means storing this machine in your closet without using it, a convenient feature if you are short on space. The belt length of 22 and width of 55 allow users to exercise comfortably without bumping into one another or exercising too close to the front end. Plus, the 220 pounds weight capacity is suitable for many people. However, anyone over this weight limit will have difficulty operating this machine due to its smaller size and lack of power features. The Carbon T10 folding treadmill is a significant investment, but it comes with the iFit system that offers indoor and outdoor plans. The applications include walking tours, hiking routes, jogging, running, and even walk-run classes. The ProForm Carbon T10 also comes with 20 different built-in workout programs. These presets can help you increase your fitness without subscribing to the services. Now number 3, Horizon Tone 101 Folding Treadmill. Horizon Tone 101 is a 72 long, 34 wide, and 55 high compact treadmill with a foldable design that makes it one of the most compact treadmills for small spaces in its budget. The belt is 20 wide and 55 long, so you'll have good clearance for your feet. Like most folding treadmills, it supports a maximum user weight capacity of 300 pounds. This folding treadmill can handle up to 10 mph with an incline of 10%. The treadmill has several preset programs, including calorie burn, distance, manual, time, and weight loss. The Horizon Tone 101 is a quiet treadmill even when the belt moves along the deck. The console is built-in Bluetooth speakers and a tablet holder shelf to put your phone or other personal devices on it. In addition, this machine is smaller than other models, making it an ideal option for someone looking for a foldable treadmill in a small space. At number 4, Lifespan TR5000 non-folding treadmill. The Lifespan 5500 has a powerful and quiet motor but impresses with the compact dimensions that make it easy to store or move. The Lifespan 5500's total size is 73 long x 35 wide x 55.5 with a folded height of 40.5. One of the best folding treadmills on Amazon belongs to Lifespan. The 5300 deck size is 22 wide x 60 long, and it's a lifetime warranty too, which makes it stand out among other compact models. When it comes to a compact treadmill, Lifespan 5500 gives you a lot of extras. With its powerful motor and durable deck, training on this treadmill becomes more comfortable. The Lifespan 5500 does not have a giant video screen and only is an optional 10-inch console. However, it piques the interest of many users because of its easy-to-use speedometer that displays your current speed. Lifespan also has 20 built-in workout programs, including fitness tests and heart rate monitors. At number 5, Sunny Health and Fitness SF Tone 1407M Foldable Manual Walking Treadmill. The SF Tone 1407M from Sunny Health and Fitness is the best option if you are looking for a compact, non-electric, affordable folding treadmill that has an affordable price point. The lightweight and easy-to-move design make this the perfect basic treadmill. With time-lapse speed and calorie tracking abilities, the small home treadmill gives all the information needed without going too far into detail. Folds up for storage when not in use, this lightweight and compact piece of Sunny Health and Fitness equipment is also on wheels for easy transportation to your desired room. The weight capacity, a maximum of 220 pounds. The Sunny Health and Fitness SF Tone 1407M Manual Walking Treadmill is one of the standouts for the best folding treadmills with a limited budget and small household spaces. All the products we mentioned are available in present market. To get the link, check description below. Please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get notified our next video. Thanks for watching.